Please, so far everyone. Come till here. We have a lot of space. Here. And this tree is also very special. I'll speak about this in some time. So let's offer our gratitude and invoke the blessings of these great personalities and the entire Guru Parampara by offering Mangacharan. Everyone together. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurmilitam Vena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Vena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamiyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guroho Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Guru Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Saji